Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to build an online coaching business using Kajabi's coaching product. Now, this tool makes it super simple to set up your program, whether you're doing one-on-one sessions or group coaching. I'll explain everything step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to use Kajabi to run great coaching sessions and keep track of your schedule. You'll also see how easy it is to grow your business as more clients join. But before we dive into the details, I want to share something special with you. Now, if you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, they're worth over $900, but you'll get all of them at no cost. The best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below and let's dive in. The fastest way to start making money online is by sharing what you know. Coaching is one of the best ways to do that. Now, Kajabi's coaching product is made for coaches who want to turn their expertise into a growing business. Now, unlike other products like courses, podcasts, or memberships, the coaching product works differently. Now, when a client buys it, any changes that you make later won't affect what they already have. Now, this might sound like a small detail, but it really makes a big difference. I wish I had known this earlier because it would have saved me a ton of headaches. Once you log into your Kajabi account, head to the Products tab, and from there choose Coaching. Now, this takes you to the coaching section. Next, click on the Programs area, and here you'll see all of the coaching programs that you've already made. To create a new one, click on the New Coaching Program button in the top right corner. Now, once you click the New Coaching Program button, Kajabi guides you step by step through the setup process. So first, you'll enter some basic details like you'll name your coaching program, add a coach name if you want, and write a description about the program. Now, this is your chance to explain what your coaching program offers and how it can help clients. You can also upload a thumbnail image to give your program a professional look. Kajabi even provides recommended image sizes so it displays well on all devices. And after you've added your first details, the next step is to choose the type of coaching that you want to offer. So you can go with one-on-one coaching or group coaching. Now, this depends on how you plan to work with your clients. For this tutorial, we're going to stick with the one-on-one coaching option. Below that, you're going to set how many sessions are included in the program. Now, once you've filled the details, click the Continue button to move to the next step. And once you decide the coaching structure, Kajabi moves you to Scheduling Preferences. Now here, you'll pick the scheduling tool that you want to use. Kajabi's built-in scheduler works well because it connects directly with the platform. You can also choose the call location. That could be Kajabi's live video option, or you can connect it to another platform like Zoom. After that, you'll set how long each session will be so clients know exactly what to expect. The next step is all about design. Kajabi lets you pick your main and secondary colors to make your program look just the way that you want. Now, these colors are going to show up on buttons, icons, and section backgrounds. Now, this helps you keep everything consistent with your brand, and it gives your program a clean and professional look. Finally, you're going to set up your pricing. Here, you can choose if your coaching program will be free or paid. You might decide to offer it for free at first to gather testimonials, or you could set a premium price to show the value of your coaching. When everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save and Finish to complete the setup. And after that, you'll land on your coaching program's main dashboard. Once your coaching program is set up in Kajabi, you'll land on your main dashboard. It's simple and organized, so you can see everything about your coaching program all in one place. Now, at the top, you're going to find the name of your program, and below that, there are 4 main tabs: Clients, Package Outline, Offers, and Settings. Now, each one helps you manage or customize different parts of your coaching program. In the Clients tab, which is open by default, you'll see it's empty at first. As people begin to sign up, their details are going to show up here. Now, this tab displays your active clients and useful information like their session history and progress. It's a great way to keep track of who's enrolled, and you can manage their experience easily. In the Package Outline tab, you're going to see a list of sessions that are part of your coaching program. Now, each session is numbered, like session 1, session 2, so on and so forth. Now, you can click on a session to update the description, agenda, or add add useful resources. Now, if you want to add more sessions later, just hit the Add Session button in the top right corner. Now, this is great if you decide to grow your program down the line. Next is the Offers tab, and this is where you'll find all of the active offers connected to your program. An offer is what people buy to access your program. You can review your current offers here. An offer is what people buy to access your program. Now, you can review your current offers here, and if you want to set up things like payment plans or upsells, you can click New Offer. Now, this part is important for handling the business side of your coaching, like sales and who gets access. Under the Settings tab, you'll see plenty of options to add how your coaching program works. At the top, you can make changes to basic details like the program title, coach name, email, description of the coaching, and the thumbnail image. Further down, the scheduling section helps you manage how clients book their sessions. So you can pick a scheduling method, set the session location like Kajabi Live Video, or decide how long each session lasts. Now, you can even turn on automated reminders to make sure that clients don't miss their calls. You get to choose how early reminders go out and decide between email or notification templates. Scrolling further, the availability section helps you decide when clients can book sessions. You can stick with the default schedule, or you can choose to set up custom availability just for this program. There's also an option to automatically upload Kajabi Live recordings into the session record. Now, this saves time and gives clients easy access later. In the page customization area, you can make your coaching pages look the way that you want. Pick primary and accent colors for buttons, icons, and backgrounds. Now, this keeps everything consistent with your brand, and it makes the experience better for clients. Another important section is page upsell. When you turn this on, you can show clients an extra offer after their session. Now, this lets you promote a follow-up service, a new program, or a one-time coaching upgrade. At the bottom of the settings page, you'll find the notifications section. Now, this is where you decide if coaches and clients get updates about saved sessions, uploaded recordings, or other important changes. Now, you can use the checkboxes to customize these alerts based on roles. And finally, there's a red Delete Program button at the very bottom. Now, this lets you permanently remove the coaching program if you need to. After making any changes to your settings, be sure to click the Save button in the bottom right corner to apply your updates. This dashboard puts everything in one place. It gives you full control over your coaching program, and it helps you manage the client experience from start to finish. And that's it for this video, guys. And as promised, I got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I've got a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days, which means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all of the features without feeling rushed. Just click the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. Now, this is a quick program where I'm going to walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step, and we're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you're going to get them for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.